Alrighty, so here we are doing the full video now for the well, I'm doing a video as well. I am live on Blog TV, of course, and we're doing the video for the big break. Seal box of Zenith to start it all off. I won't be showing every single card because we're going to try to go a little bit faster in doing these. And we'll keep the Zenith checklist right there. Tear can go there. Just trying to make sure I keep everything on the screen. Like I said, I'm not used to this camera angle, but I'm trying my best here. 2 empty boxes, top and bottom. And let's get going. I'll do my best, but Zenith seems to deliver for almost everybody. Alright, so we have Kiprasov, Malkin, Darren Pang gets shipped, guys. Remember, I do the legends. Decoy, Jimmy Howard, and Patrice Bergeron. Clark MacArthur, Vander Kane, Luke Shen for the Leafs, gifted grinders, get shipped. Z rookie roll call, Tyler Seguin for the Bruins with the jersey swatch. I will do a high res, just the hits video later on. David Booth and Phil Kessel. That'll be all up on the site sometime tomorrow, after I do the Bay Breaks tomorrow. Backstrom, Luongo, Trevor Linden get shipped for the Habs, because he is one of the Legends ones. Decoy, Cam Ward, and Vincent Lecavalier. If I could open a pack, it would be great. Happy Boolin. We have a red parallel of Ed Belfour for the Sharks. We have Creases the Word, Corey Crawford. Decoy, Bork, and Renee. Any randomizations after we get done will get done at the very end of the whole video here. Miller, Erickson, Cam Neely for the Canucks get shipped. Decoy, Parento, and Stahl. I bobble that one. Getzlaff, Martin St. Louis, Blue Jackets Mosaics get shipped. Decoy, Dubinsky, and Langenbrunner. I think Zenith delivers a ton of hits, guys. People asking me not to pull any hits because they want free spots in the next break. Gabrick, Solani, Kelly Rudy for the Kings get shipped. We have for the Colorado Avalanche, Gagliardi, Stastny, and Duchesne Mosaics get shipped. Dion Phaneuf and Daniel Alfredson. And a phone that doesn't stop ringing. The Bruins have a Z team of Tim Thomas get shipped. Peter Forsberg gets shipped for the Avs. And we have a Brandon Machinter out of 999 for the San Jose Sharks get shipped. Decoy, Doan, and Duchesne. Mike Green, Tim Thomas, Doug Gilmour for the Leafs get shipped. Decoy, James Reimer, and Patrick Eliash. Corey Perry, Chris Barch for the Dallas Stars. Yours truly. Z rookie roll call for the Rangers of Derek Stepan. Decoy, Martin Brodeur, and Craig Anderson. And the big guy is going to be Steven Stamkos. Hope we get something nice here for you guys, and we move on to SP Authentic. We'll do the boxes with many packs first. We'll rip into the big guys. Oh, I got something nice. I'm saving all my best stuff for you guys tonight, huh? National Treasures for the Bruins. Jordan Carroll out of 99. Number 92 out of 99. Okay, so let me just clean up Zenith. And then we'll do, by clean up, I mean throw it all on the floor. Then we'll do SP Authentic. SP Authentic. Sealed box, of course. I will be doing a full-length video tomorrow, team by team. Can't do a review right now, guys. Not mid-break. And the whole thing is being recorded as it's done, too. Okay, Horton, Holmstrom, Eric Condra for the Sens get shipped. Decoy, Georges, and Drew Doughty. Hull, Thomas, Derek Roy, Decoy, Paul Stastny, and Dustin Brown. Howard, Bowmeister, Frederick St. Denis for the Habs get shipped. Decoy, Varlamov, and Lundqvist. I'll take more time on the one-pack boxes, just these ones I'm going to rip through until we hit a major hit anyhow. Sharp, Voracek, Brodeur, Lance Boma for the Calgary Flames. Decoy, and Joe Thornton. Ranford, Subban, Brassard, Jeff Skinner, Decoy, JVR. Brent Burns, Matt Duchene, Taylor Hall, Cameron Goetz for the Avs get shipped. Decoy, and Jose Theodore. Clarkson, Weber, Vanek, Decoy with SP Essentials for the Wings, Jimmy Howard get shipped, of course. And Magnus Priority. Ennis, Letnin, Smith, Brendan Smith for the Wings. Decoy, and Scott Gomez. Peatley, Wilson, Verbata, Future Watch Auto for the Flyers out of 999. Ben Holmstrom. Decoy, and Stephen Weiss. Hawks still undefeated, huh? Well, they got Edmonton tomorrow. Probably kill Edmonton. Shattenkirk, Rask, LeCavalier, Kruger for the Hawks. Decoy, and Corey Perry. Carey Price, Brad Park, Mika Kiprusoff, Jonathan Bloom for the Predators get shipped. Decoy, and Mark Giordano. Not much at SP Authentic so far. Only one auto. I turn that luck around. Eller, Eberle, Pronger, Aaron Palushai. Shipped. Decoy, and Steve Mason. That's Palushai for the Habs, not the Colorado Avalanche. Miller, Setaguchi, Andre Benoit for the Ottawa Senators. Decoy, Grabner, and Briere. Gretzky, Johansson, Shanahan, Decoy, SP Essentials, Matt Duchene get shipped. Whoa, got in really tight there for the Avs. And Mike Richards. Chris Stewart, Jerome McGinley, Vander Kane, Matt Fratton for the Leafs. Decoy, and Diampano. Yeah, just the history will be a team-by-team breakdown tomorrow. TJ Oshie, Bill Barber, Nick Foligno, Alexander Burrows, a Decoy, and Ryan Clough. Rick Nash, Thomas Volkun, Mike Modano, Justin Falk for the Avs. We must have a lot of good stuff coming up still. Sorry, not for the Avs, for the Hurricanes. I don't know where I came from the Avs from. Decoy and Lidstrom. Osgood, Ovechkin, Pavlik, Future Watch, auto for the Flyers again, but it's the good one. Sean Couturier out of 999 for the Flyers. Nice pickup. Decoy and Zetterberg. Getzlaff, Marc-Andre Fleury, Dan Boyle, Jonas Hiller, Decoy, Alfredson. Brad Richards, Logan Couture, Daniel Sedin, Future Watch, non-auto for the Nashville Predators, Matthias Ekholm for the Preds. I don't focus, okay, but it will tomorrow when I do just the hits. Decoy and Nick Backstrom. Crosby, Marlowe, Robinson, sign of the times, Jonathan Erickson for the Wings. Not a bad pickup. First one of his I've seen. Decoy, Ryan Suter. That's my tower of decoys over here starting to grow. Get out of there. Bergeron, Craig Anderson, Jordan Stahl, Rookie Hall effects for the Flyers again. Matt Reed. It's the Flyers box. Matt Reed. Decoy. And James Raymer. Eric Stahl, Ilya Bryzgalov, Brett Bulmer for the Minnesota Wild. Somebody's begging me not to hit any Minnesota players. Decoy. Brian Campbell and Claude Giroux. Final pack. Then I'm going to clean up SP Authentic here. Berglund, Parise, Brett Connolly, Rookie Hall effects for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Decoy, Bufflin, and Hossa. So that's it for SP Authentic. Let me clean this one up. I gotta find somewhere to put the base. I'd say the main hit on SP Authentic would be the Couturier there. Garbage. Give me half a second here. Apparently my wife just had to run out, so I gotta make sure I can hear my kids in case they wake up screaming. Okay. Let's get some air in here. Alright, SPX is next. Another sealed box. Of course. Let's get going. So we get rid of these decoys from the other one. The other two, actually. We'll do the ice pack last out of SPX. Put that one there. Let's fly. I've had a lot of good hits out of SPX. If anybody's been watching my videos. Alright. I can't read these. Marlowe, Bowmeister, Bracken Kearns, rookie for the Florida Panthers. Decoy, and Michael Koivu. I'm not going to read out the base on these ones, guys, just because it's so shiny I can't see it like this. I'm just going to show you that they are, of course, base. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. 4 cards per pack. Unless there's a huge thick one in there. It trims down. Base, base. Winning materials with an auto. Huh. First one of those I pulled. Of Thomas Vanek out of 25. Out of 15, sorry. Buffalo Sabres hit out of 15. Thomas Vanek. Sticker auto. In case anybody's wondering. Base and base. Nice hit. Base, base. For the Devils, we have an Adam Larson out of 799. Or no, big rookies so far. Not really firming up, but it's Adam Larson for the Devils. Base and base. When I do my big video, it'll come in nice and crystal clear. Base, base. We have a Colton Tubert out of 799, rookie jersey for the Oilers. Base and base. Base, we have a finite rookie out of 499, Rafael Diaz. Rafael Diaz. There we go. Even nice for the Habs. Decoy, base and base. Which means we're going to have a lot of base packs on the next side of this box. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. Remember, you can still get a hit and still win a free spot. It is possible if there are nobody with no spots. There's no hits in these, right? For next week. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. Down the other side of the pack. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. Next week's level 3 is of the Cup, 2 Dominions, 2 Primes, and 2 Ultimates. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. Base, base, winning combos for the Wings. Can't see the name right off the top. I believe it's Zetterberg and Franson. Zetterberg and Franson. Not coming in. Yeah, it is Zetterberg and Johan Franzen. Doesn't like me. Base and base. Base, base. Huh, interesting. Wing materials. Guess who? Thomas Vanek. Same one we pulled an auto of a second ago. Collation, guys. Alright, doesn't want to come in. Base, base. I don't want this video to be 8 hours long. I'll never get it uploaded to YouTube. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. 3 packs left in the ice bonus pack. Base, oops, goes flying. Base, decoy, base, and base. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. Base, base, decoy, base, and base. Ice bonus pack time. Good luck, guys. Base, 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 base. Ice Premier Rookie out of 1999 for the Nashville Predators, Ryan Ellis. That kills SPX. Let me clear this out. Hits. And box 1 of 2 for artifacts. We got a nice out of 2 card in the mini from artifacts. Hopefully we get something mega here. Not Winnipeg, I don't believe. Or did they? Good luck, guys. Artifacts. Base. We have a rookie of Jason Zucker for the Wild out of 999. Decoy and base. You have to actually keep a track of the no hits. Base. We have a rookie redemption for the Capitals. They come off that list there. Rookie redemption. Decoy and base. You have artifacts. Tim Thomas, dual jersey out of 36 or 35, 36 for the Bruins. It's not want to come in, but it is Tim Thomas, and it is numbered out of 35 or 36 there. Looks like 36. Decoy. Base. There's lots of boxes to go. It's because you have a popular team. Base, you have an auto fax of Tim Stapleton for the Jets. Winnipeg comes off the schneid with a hit. Decoy, base, and base. Base, we have artifacts, Tundra Tandems, Cody Eakin and Louis LeBlanc. Team Canada. This can be randomized between Dallas and Montreal at the very end of everything. Decoy and base. Base. We have a base out of 999. Kerry Lettinen for the Dallas Stars. Oop, put it in the wrong pile. Decoy and a base of Tony Twist. Base. We have a Oilers rookie, Philip Cornett. Out of 999. Decoy, base, and base. Base, we have a parallel of 999 for the Leafs of Curtis Joseph. Decoy, power check base, and a Paul Stastny base. I only do my breaks Sundays, the big ones. The eBay breaks are done every morning, though, if you guys ever want to spy in on me. Base, we have an out of 99 parallel of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins for the Oilers. Like I said, I'll do just the hits and it'll be a lot clearer there. Decoy, base, and base. Base, we have a Leafs hit of Johnny Bower. You don't see many Johnny Bower cards out there. Out of 125. Dual jersey. You don't get a lot of Johnny Bower cards. There you go, out of 125. Decoy. And base. Okay, I'll just keep on moving to the next box here. Another sealed box of artifacts. Remind me, guys, yell at me at the end of this video to make sure I do all my randomizations. I've had some amazing brain farts lately. Hey, Matt, just recording this one right now, doing the big break. Did the mini, got some good stuff out of there. seems incredible out of, or sorry, remarkable out of 6, and a what was it, out of 2. There's a card out of 2 there for somebody. Florida, I believe. Base out of 9.99 parallel for the Montreal Canadiens. Get shipped. Decoy and base. Base, we have a Sven Barchi out of 99 rookie for the Flames. Not a bad hit for the Flames, that's for sure. Number 22 out of 99. Decoy, base, and base. Nice hit for the Flames. Base, we have an out of 9.99 parallel for the Wings of Jimmy Howard. Decoy, base, and base. That was a very nice hit. Calgary. Base, we have a rookie out of 85 now for the Tampa Bay Lightning. What a box. JT Brown. Number out of 85. I could lift the number to firm up, but I'll show you guys later. Decoy, base, and base. Not bad, not bad. Base, we have a out of 125 for the St. Louis Blues. It's Team Canada, Alex Pietrangelo. Out of 125 for the St. Louis Blues. Hard to see, hard to focus. And a decoy and a base. Base, we have a rookie out of 9.99, Gabriel Dumont for the Montreal Canadiens. A decoy and a Sam Gagner base card. Base, we have rookie redemption for the Colorado Avalanche. Base and a, decoy and a base. Pittsburgh still hitless? Team Canada was Alex Pietrangelo for the Blues. Base, we have artifacts, treasured swatches for the Buffalo Sabres, who've actually done pretty well so far. Tyler Myers. Decoy and base. Oh, yeah, the Thunder tandems down there. Yeah, sorry, that's Eakins and LeBlanc. Base, artifacts, Cam Fowler for the Ducks. Now Anaheim has a hit if they didn't before. Cam Fowler, decoy, base, and base. Base. We have a Thunder Tandems duel for the Sens. Craig Anderson and Jason Spezza. Dual jersey. Decoy and base. So that's it for the other box of artifacts. That's 2 artifacts down. We have limited and I'm just gonna put the, I have to randomize up here so I don't forget. 2 limited, a Dominion, and the cup left to go. I'll do my cleanup later. Garbage, go over there. I have to be very careful when they say traded to whoever unlimited because they do that on a lot of the base cards. Even they have somebody pictured in a different colored jersey. It goes to the traded to team in limited's case. Let's get it rolling. That's actually what I thought you were going to take, Keith. Surprised me by going off the board there. Okay, first card. We have a base card of Jeff Carter for the LA Kings. Base cards get shipped with limited. Second, we have a base card of Carey Price, Montreal Canadiens. Third, I believe this is a Phenoms. Yep, Phenoms out of 499 of Brandon Manning for the Philadelphia Flyers. Take a little more time with these. Oh, and back up. Did it work? Nope. We have a redemption. Monikers for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Malkin, Evgeny Malkin. We have a, so I'm just going to put that down nice. Out of 99 limited jersey, Dan Girardi for the Rangers. Won't focus right though. You'll see it in the full-length video. We have a Corey Perry Trophy winners for the Ducks. Huh, that one focused okay for a second. Then we have a gold parallel for the St. Louis Blues of Brian Elliott out of 25. That's box 1 of limited. Let's get on to box 2. The Owls are hitless. We're saying Isles and Phoenix right now. I'll just go through and check them all later. We have, for the Pittsburgh Penguins, right off the hop, a Malkin. Base card. We have for the New York Islanders, oh, a nice card. You don't see very often, a Mike Bossy auto card, Stanley Cup winners auto card. Nice hit for the Isles. And now to get rid of all the hitless teams and start fresh, now we're all confused. We have a Ulrich Larson out of 49 silver parallel, the Phoenix Coyotes. We have a Grant Fuhr jersey card out of 99 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. We have a redemption jumbo jersey autographs. I'm not sure what these are out of. It's jersey and an auto. Marc-Andre Fleury for Pittsburgh. We have a trophy winners of Jeff Skinner, the Carolina Hurricanes. And we have a board members, again for the Phoenix Coyotes, Shane Doan, out of 199. So that's it for limited. I'm going to tuck these away. Then we'll get on to Dominion. Let's get going. It's going to be a monster upload. I don't know if YouTube will take it. I have to break it into a couple spots maybe. Expect all this up tomorrow afternoon, guys. In the morning, I'm going to do all the eBay breaks. This is a box of a fresh case of Dominion, just so you guys know. I opened up a fresh case and pulled a box out just for this. So everything's in play. Booklets, 99 rookies, everything. Because I know you guys know I put them up on eBay. So the cup I don't have too much ever, so I'm just doing one-offs on the cup when I get it from a distributor. Turn that the right way. There's the cards. No booklet. And right off the hop, we get a Chicago Blackhawks base card. Somebody's asking if he's keeping track of the Hawks. Out of 199, Patrick Kane. Patrick Kane for the Hawks. We have a rookie out of 199, Leland Irving for the Calgary Flames. We have a rookie out of 199 rookie patch auto, Brendan Smith for the Detroit Red Wings. We have a rookie number to jersey number out of 36, Zach Ronaldo for the Philadelphia Flyers. We have pen pals for the Wings, pretty cool. Brendan Smith and Gustav Nyquist dual autos out of 50. We have an out of 10 patch for the St. Louis Blues, David Perron. Nice 3-color patch there, at least 3 colors, maybe 4. We have a Mammoth, I guess it would be Mammoth Prime, Mammoth Gold, out of 25, Carl Hagelin, the New York Rangers. And last but not least, for the Anaheim Ducks, we have a Saku Koivu base card out of 199. So not a bad box of Dominion with the pen pals anyhow for Detroit. That's quite a nice card actually. When Philly hits nice too, yeah. Okay. On to the big boy. The really big boy, that is. The cup. Let's get going, guys. I have a really good feeling with this one. Good luck, everybody. Oh, this is a case hit box, guys. Like I said, I had a good feeling on this one. I think it's a case hit box. Yes, it is. This is a case hit box. Whatever it is. Drop the decoy. 5 cards. I'm actually going to, well, we'll just do them in order they come. First card. Base card of Jimmy Howard for the Wings. Good luck, everybody. Second card, a very, very sick patch for the Ottawa Senators. Try not to show the big hit here. Roman Wick at a 249. Nice patch for the Ottawa Senators. We'll do the case hit next. It's a scripted swatches for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Mario Lemieux out of 35. 2 colors. That's the case hit. And we have a trios out of 25. It looks like it's pens, pens, and pens. Fleury, Malkin, and Stahl. And last but not least, out of 25, we have Henrik Zetterberg for the Wings. Base card parallel. So let's do that randomization. Congrats on Pittsburgh and getting the cup case hit there. So I'm going to do the randomization for this one right now. It's between Dallas and Montreal. Yeah, pop open random.org and slide over to the right side here because it's on my wrong side of my screen. So Dallas and Montreal, not Dallas, New York. Dallas Stars, Montreal Canadiens. I put them in alphabetical order. Doesn't matter how they appear on the card. I hit randomize. Oh, I gotta show you guys, don't I? I hit randomize. I'm sure I'm getting it all here. 5 times. Team on top wins the card. Ready? 1. 2, 3, 4. The winner will be Montreal gets the Eakin LeBlanc card. So that's it for this one. I'm just going to stop the video right now. I will do a high res probably tomorrow. Let me just hit stop here.